ॐ यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 126। नैयायिक, where do you they accept lakshana?
Pada alone.
Pada alone. And Mimamsakas?
Pada and Vakya.
Pada and Vakya. According to Nayayika, what is the lakshana bija? तात्पर्यानु और अन्वयानुपपत्ति।
अन्वयानुपपत्ति।
According to who?
नैयायिका।
According to Mimamsaka?
तात्पर्यानुपपत्ति।
According to both, it is Tatparyanupapatti only. Mimamsakas as well as Nayayika, Lakshana Bijam is Tatparyanupapatti. Lakshana Lakshanam, according to Nayayika, is
Shakya Sambandho Lakshana.
Shakya Sambandho Lakshana. According to Mimamsakas, the Lakshana Lakshanam is
शक्याशक्य गोचर वृत्तित्वम्।
Shakyashakya Gochara Vrittitvam. Okay. See now, Lakshana cha in Moolam. लक्षणा च न पदमात्र वृत्ति ही किंतु वाक्य वृत्ति ही अपि। Vedanti will say lakshana is vakya vritti also, not padamatra vritti. So there is one anumanam. Second number tippani. Lakshana padamatra vrittir vrittitvat shaktivat is the anumanam. Nayayika will do the anumanam. Lakshana is padamatra vritti because it is a vritti like shakti vritti. Shakti, according to Nayayika, is padamatra vritti. So Lakshana also should be padamatra vritti. In this anumanam, there is upadhi. What is the Lakshana of upadhi according to Tarka Sangraha?
साध्य व्यापकत्वे सति साधना व्यापकत्वम्।
Sadhya vyapakatve sati sadhana vyapakatvam. So here it is given. Shaktitvam is upadhi. What is sadhya in anumanam? Somebody else.
Padamatra vrittitvam.
Padamatra vrittitvam is sadhyam. What is the vyapti? Somebody else. What is the vyapti? What is the vyapti in this anumana?
यत्र यत्र वृत्तित्वं तत्र तत्र पदमात्र वृत्तित्वं.
Correct. Yatra yatra vrittitvam, tatra tatra padamatra vrittitvam. So this is the vyapti. Now we have to see whether the upadhi lakshana works here or not. So sadhya vyapakatvam first we have to see. See further in that second number tippani, tathahi drashtante shaktav sadhyam asti. Page number 126. Drashtante shaktav sadhyam asti. Shaktitvam api asti. In Drishtanta, which is Shakti, Sadhya, Padamatra Vrittitva is there. Shakti, Shaktitvam is also there. Shaktitvam, which is the Upadhi. So Sadhya Vyapakatvam is available. Iti Sadhya Vyapakatvam. Yatra yatra Padamatra Vrittitvam, tatra tatra Shaktitvam. This is Sadhya Vyapakatvam. So that which has Padamatra Vritti is Shakti Vritti, according to Nayayika. So in Shakti, this Sadhya Vyapakatvam is available. Now Sadhana Vyapakatvam. Sadhanam Vrittitvam. Sadhanam is Vrittitvam. Lakshanayam api. In Lakshana, Hetu is there. In Paksha, which is Lakshana, Hetu is there. But there Shaktitva is not there. In Lakshana, Shaktitva is not there. Lakshana, Lakshyatva is there. Vrittitva is there. But Shaktitva is not there. So Sadhana Vyapakatvam is there. In other words, Padamatra Vrittitva is valid only in Shakti Vritti, according to Nayayika. But in Lakshana, that is not true. In Lakshana, one will have Lakshana in Vakya also. That is given in Tika. Ukta Anumane Shaktitvam Upadhihi. In this Anumana, Shaktitva is Upadhi. Tathacha Gambhirayam Nadyam Ghosha. Ityadau Nadyadi Padamatre Lakshanayam Vinigamaka Bhavena. Gambhirayam Nadyam Ghosha. Gangayam Ghosha is one. Gambhirayam Nadyam athva Gambhirayam Gangayam Ghosha. So there, Nadyadi Padamatre Lakshanayam Vinigamaka Bhavena. The Lakshana will not be done only in Nadi Pada or Ganga Pada. Samudaye eva Lakshana. Gambhirayam Nadyam. See, when it is said Gambhirayam Nadyam, Gambhirayam, what is the vibhakti?
Saptami Vibhajana.
And Nadyam
सप्तमी एक वचन.
is also Saptami. So Saptami Ekvachan in both. Gambhirayam Nadyam is Visheshana for Nadi. Gambhira Nadi. So when the Lakshana is done, you don't keep Gambhirayam and then in Nadyam you say Tire. So then it will not become Gambhira Tire Ghosha. That Gambhira Nadi entire thing will become the Vachyartha for which you have to take Lakshana. So Samudaye eva Lakshana. Now in this, there is a lot of discussion. In Nyaya Grantha, they will say, where will the Saptami go? And you will have to say Gambhir Nadi Tire Vritti. Gambhirayam Nadyam. So Gambhir Nadi you will have to replace with Nadi Tira. And Saptami, so Vritti. We said there is Gaurava. This is a too much that you will have to use. So that's why you see what is given here in Tika. Samudaye eva lakshanayaha tvaya api avashyam angikaryatvat. By you also, this has to be accepted. Even if Nayayika says padamatra vritti vrittitve vrittitvam na niyamakam. Padamatra vrittitve vrittitvam is not niyamakam. Apitu shaktitve sati vrittitvam. It has to have shaktitve api vrittitvam guru bhutam api niyamakam. So only vrittitvam is not niyamakam. Shaktitve sati vrittitvam is the niyamaka. So third number tippani तथा च यत्र शक्तित्वे सति वृत्तित्वं तत्र पदमात्र वृत्तित्वं इति व्याप्य व्यापक भावे सति तत्वं शक्तावेव इति लक्षणायाः पदभिन्न वृत्तित्वं अपि सिद्धम्. So Shakti Vritti can be in Pada because each Pada has its Shakti. But for Lakshana, it will be in Vakya. So that's why this Tippani says, third number, Yatra Shaktitve Sati Vrittitvam, where there is Shaktitva and Vrittitvam, Tatra Padamatra Vrittitvam. That is okay. And Yatra Padamatra Vrittitvam, Tatra Shaktitve Sati Vrittitvam. It is Shakti Vritti. Vyapya Vyapaka Bhava is there. Sati Tattvam Shaktaveva. Tattvam means Shaktitve Sati Vrittitvam is in Pada. Lakshanayaha Pada Bhinna Vrittitvam api Siddham. Lakshanayaha Pada Bhinna Vrittitvam. So Lakshana is Pada Bhinna Vritti. So even if something is Guru Bhuta, means greater in Rupa, if that is what you need, that is what you need. Iti ashayanaha yatha in Moolam, previous page. यथा गंभीरायाम नद्याम घोष इति यत्र गंभीरायाम नद्याम इति पदद्वय समुदायस्य तीरे लक्षण. गंभीरायाम नद्याम, both these words, their lakshana is in tira pada. ननु टीका पदस्यैव शक्तत्वेन तदर्थस्य शक्यतया तत्संबंधिन एव लक्ष्यत्वात् कथं वाक्य वृत्ति लक्षणा विषयत्वं वाक्यार्थ संबंधिनः इति आशंकते. पदस्यैव शक्तत्वेन, पद इज शक्तम, शक्तम पदम जैसे नैयायिका, एंड देयरफॉर तद अर्थस्य शक्य. पद इज शक्तम, पदार्थ विल बी शक्य. पद पदार्थ संबंध विल बी शक्ति. सो शक्तः, शक्यः, शक्तिः. Three padas are clear, these three words.
Yes.
Shakta is what? Okay, answer. Shakta is what?
Pada.
Pada.
Shakya is what?
पदार्थ
Shakti is what?
संबंध
Pada
पद
padartha
पदार्थ
शक्यतया तत्संबंधिनः एव लक्ष्यत्वात्. So the, according to Purva Pakshi, Shakya Sambandhi is Lakshya, Lakshyattvad. Tatham Vakya Vritti Lakshana Vishayatvam Vakyartha Sambandhinah. Vakyartha Sambandhinah Vakya Vritti Lakshana Vishayatvam Katham. Means Vakya Vritti Lakshana Vishaya is Vakyartha Sambandhi, not Padartha Sambandhi, Vakyartha Sambandhi. Iti Ashankate. How? See in Moolam. Nanu Vakyarthasya Ashakyataya. Vakyartha is not Shakya. Padartha is Shakya. How do you say Shakya Sambandha Rupa Lakshana? Katham Shakya Sambandha Rupa Lakshana Vakyarthasya. How Vakyartha will have Lakshana? You see, you have to change the definition of Lakshana. Don't, if you just keep the definition Shakya Sambandha Lakshana, then Shakya will be only Padam. So then your Lakshana will be only in Padam. But like how we saw Gambhirayam Natyam Ghoshaha. So there we do Lakshana in Vakya. Katham Shakya Sambandha Rupa Lakshana Uchyate. Tika. Shakya Shabdena Iha Padanishta Shakti Jnapyo Vivakshitaha. By Shakya Sambandha Padanishta Shakti Jnapya. Pada has Shakti. Padanishta Shakti. Shakti Jnapya is Shakya. Such a Padartha Dwara Vachyartho Api. If there are multiple padas connected together, that is called Vakyam. So Padartha Dwara, it can be Vachyartha. Vachyartho Api iti tat sambandhini api lakshana na virudyate. So in that, Vachyartha, which can be combination of padas, which is what we call Vakyartha. Such a Padartha Dwara Vachyartho Api iti tat sambandhini api lakshana na virudyate ityaha. What is the question?
Harima Swamiji in the book is Vakyartha.
Yeah.
Vakyartho.
Yeah. So Vachyartha, actually, you should, if it is given Vachyartha, then also you can give the meaning. What is the Vachyartha of group of padas, which is nothing but Vakyartha. So you can use Vakyartha also. His implied meaning is Vakyartha only, even if directly if it says Vachyartha, you can just use that meaning. That is easier to understand. वाच्यार्थो और वाक्यार्थो अपि इति तत्संबंधिनी अपि लक्षणा न विरुध्यते इत्याह उच्यते। शक्त्या यत् पद संबंधेन ज्ञाप्यते तत्संबंधो लक्षण। थ्रू शक्ति वृत्ति यत् पद संबंधेन ज्ञाप्यते तत्संबंधो लक्षण, दैट इज लक्षण। शक्ति ज्ञाप्यश्च यथा पदार्थस् तथा वाक्यार्थो अपि इति न काचिद् अनुपपत्ति। शक्त्या यत् पद संबंधेन ज्ञाप्यते तत्संबंधो लक्षण। विथ शक्ति वृत्ति whatever is pada sambandhena jnapyate, that sambandha is called lakshana. and it can be padartha or it can be vakyartha. So in the Moolam you see, Shakti Jnapyascha yatha padarthas tatha vakyartho api iti na kachid anupapattihi. Shaktya Jnapyah, Shakti Jnapyah, that which is known through Shakti, it can be padartha also, it can be vakyartha also. So there is no anupapatti. ठीक है, पदेन स्वनिष्ठ. Okay, we have to see टिप्पणी number 1 and 2 also. ननु वाक्ये लक्षण अंगीकारे शक्य संबंधो लक्षण इति सिद्धांत हानि प्रसंगः. If in vakya you accept lakshana, then shakya sambandho lakshana, this will not work. So let it not work. You change the definition. Why you want to stick to shakya sambandho lakshana? Vakyarthasya ashakyatvat. This is Purva Pakshi's objection. Siddhanti says you don't have to have shakya sambandha only. You have to see sambandha with whatever is the meaning. That meaning can be the meaning of a pada, it can be the meaning of a vakya also. Second number tippani is on shaktya. Shaktya yat pada sambandhena jnapyate. Pada sambadhaya pada vrittitaya. Shaktya. Pada sambadhaya pada vrittitaya. So that which is associated with pada and which is the pada vritti, which is the Shakti, which is in pada, Shaktya yad vastu jnapyate, tad sambandho lakshana, that sambandha is lakshana. Tatha cha Shaktya sakshat jnapyastu padartha eva. To Shakti vritti, sakshat jnapya is padartha eva. Parantu tad jnana dvara vakyartho api jnapyate. But by the jnanam, the jnana dvara vakyartho api jnapyate. Vakyartha also becomes known. Jnapyate eva iti paramparaya jnapyastu vakyartho api bhavati. So through parampara, jnapya is vakyartha also. Vakyartho api bhavati. अतः पदार्थस्य इव वाक्यार्थस्यापि शक्ति ज्ञाप्यत्व रूप शक्यत्वात्. Just as padartha has a shakti, vakyartha also can have a shakti. Padarthasya iva vakyarthasyapi shakti jnapyatva rupa shakyatvat tat sambandha rupa lakshana sambhavati eva iti na kachid anupapatti. So tat sambandha means vakyartha sambandha rupa, not padartha sambandha rupa. That lakshana is possible. So there is no anupapatti, means it can work. So as I mentioned in Tarka Sangraha class also, why such differences are there? What did I give the reason?
In Nyaya, it is mostly about the pada and its explanation, whereas Mimamsakas, for them, it is mostly about the vakya, and the vakya can have implied meaning and not just the vachya.
Nyaya is following the Laukika and Mimamsa is following the Vedas.
This is the reason. Because in Nyaya, all thinking is based on Laukika. Their Drishtanta and all, they will keep Laukika Vyavahara in mind. How to explain Laukika Vyavahara. Mimamsakas, their main objective is not how to explain Laukika Vyavahara. Their main objective is how to explain each things as given in Veda. So if Veda requires Vakya Lakshana, they will use Vakya also have to have Lakshana. Naiyayikas did not have to worry about that because their primary pramana is Anumanam. Mimamsaka's primary pramana is Veda. This I explained yesterday. This is why there is a difference in thinking. So for Mimamsaka, first thing they will think is, how does Veda work? That's how they said Amnaya is for Kriya, because they are Karma Pradhana. So you have to think this way. Naiyayika Darshan, they took care of the Laukika, Pada, Padartha, Dravya, Guna, Karma, all of that, and how to do Anumanam. Then came Mimamsaka. They said Laukika is already taken care of. We don't have to worry about thinking of how the Laukika thing, Dravya, Guna, Karma will work. Whatever they have given is good enough. We want to worry about how the Karma Kanda of Veda, which is not even Iha Laukika, it is a Paralaukika Vastu, for which how everything will be explained, how everything will be justified. So Mimamsaka is one step above Naiyayika. How will I go to Swarga? This is their main thing. So they have to keep in mind Vedavakyas, but Karma Kanda related Vedavakyas. Then came Vedantin. Vedantin said Laukika thing is all taken care of by Naiyayika. Very good. And in the Vaidika, whatever Bhattas have said, we will use that. In Dharma, Bhatta Nirnaya, we will accept. So when it is said Vyavaharetu Bhattanaya, in Vyavahara means in Dharma, Adharma. Whatever Kumaril Bhatta has said, it is acceptable to us. When it comes to Paramartha, Upanishad is Pramana. So it is one level, next level, next level. If you understand it this way, then you will know why there are differences in thinking, why in some place it is thought in this way, why these people think in a particular way, because they are coming from some different angle. So then we will never have any conflict. Why one darshan is this way, other darshan is this way. You have to see where they are coming from. Like how within India, when people come from different parts of India, we understand, oh, because this person's background is like this, the other person's background is like this. Tika. Padena swanishtha shaktya yad jnapyate tat sambandho lakshana. Padena swanishtha shaktya yad sambandho yad jnapyate tat sambandho lakshana. तथा च इदम लक्षणम उभय साधारणत्वात् आवश्यकम. पदेन स्वनिष्ठ शक्त्या यद ज्ञाप्यते. Padena means samuha of pada. If group of words are there, then what is revealed by that, it will be a sentence. Then its sambandha will be lakshana. So this lakshana is ubhaya sadharanatvat avashyakam. Ubhaya means in pada also lakshana, in vakya also lakshana. So shakti jnapyascha yatha padartha tatha vakyartha. Shakti jnapyatvam, only that much. Shakti can be in pada, Shakti can be there in vakya. यथा लोके तथा वेदे अपि बोध्यम. Just as it is in loka, so it is in Veda. एवं अर्थवाद वाक्यानां प्रशंसारूपाणां प्राशस्त्य लक्षणा. In this way, Arthavada Vakya, because they have to worry about Veda. Veda has Arthavada Vakya. So then, where there is Prashansa Rupa Arthavada Vakya, Lakshana is in Prashastya. Prashastya in one word Lakshana. Whole story will be there, 25 mantras. Lakshana will be one word. Evam iti. Drashtanta Vayurvai Kshepishtha Devata Ityadinam Arthavada Vakyana. Vayu is a Shigragami Devata. Kshepishtha means it is a fast moving Devata. Arthavada Vakyana. Nanu tatra padanam lakshana kuto na syat iti atah. There padanam lakshana kuto na syat. Why can't you do pada lakshana? Vayuhu, one pada. Vai is another pada. Kshepishtha, devata. Iti atah. This is Arthavada Vakya. Arthavada Vakyanam Prashansa Rupanam. It is Prashansa Rupa Vakya. It is doing Prashansa of Vayu. Shigragami Devata means it will give you how fast Vayu Devata is. Means if you do Upasana of Vayu Devata, it will give you Phalam also fast. It will give quick results. Because he is a fast moving person. There are people on whose table files don't move. So then their Upasana you don't do. They are very slow people. So this is a Prashansa of Vayu. So only one, instead of 4 words, entire Vakya, Prashastyam, this is the Lakshana. Yes. तथा च अर्थवाद वाक्यस्य विधिना एकवाक्यत्वे पदैकवाक्यत्व व्यवहारः. Because for अर्थवाद वाक्य, what is the Jaimini Sutra? विधिना तो एकवाक्यत्वात् स्तुत्यर्थेन विधिनां स्युः. विधिना तो एकवाक्यत्वात्. If it is stuti, अर्थवाद, स्तुत्यर्थेन विधिना, it will have ekavakyata with vidhi vakya. Vidhina ekavakyatvad. Ekavakyatva. Padaikavakyatva vyavaharas tenaiva phalika. So this is with vidhi vakya, this entire thing, arthavada, if it is having meaning in the form of pada, then it is padaika vakyatva. This point is clear, what is padaika vakyatva, because next is going to be vakyaika vakyatva. Anyway, it will come here. Again, I will explain. Evancha and sorodit ityadi nindartha vakyanam ninditatva lakshana. So arodit, it is a nindartha vakya. Ninda in so arodit, what is the ninda?
Do
Silver.
not use silver in offering.
Okay. Varhishi rajatam nadeyam. In yaga, rajata should not be given. You have to remember these vakyas. Varhishi rajatam nadeyam. Then it sounds like you are studying. Silver is okay. In Brahma Sutra, all these things will come. All of these. Vayurvai Kshepishtha Devata, Barhishi Rajatam, So Arodit, Padaika Lakshana, Vakyaika Lakshana. Brahma Sutra expects that you have fluency in all this. And Shrutilinga Vakya Prakarana Sthana Samakhyanam समवाये पारदौर्बल्यम अर्थ विप्रकर्षात्. All these vakyas vidina tu ekavakyatvat stutyarthena vidinam syuh amnayasya kriyarthatvat. All these Jaimini sutras, their references, their virodha, parihara, everything will come in Brahma Sutra. So arodit is a Ninda Vakya. Its Lakshana will be Ninditatvam. Bas. Then Agni did this, that. All of that is Arthavada. C128 Moolam. Arthavadagata Padanam Prashastyadi Lakshana Abhyupagame Ekena Padena Lakshanaya Tad Upasthiti Sambhave Padantar Vayarthyam Syat. In Arthavadagata Pada, Prashastyadi Lakshana is possible. Abhyupagame, once you accept that, Ekena Padena Lakshanaya Tad Upasthiti Sambhave. By one Pada, Lakshana Upasthiti is possible. Upasthiti Sambhave. Padantar Vayarthyam Syat. Other Pada will become Vyartha. Padantara is Vyartham. Means you don't need too many Pada. Either Prashastya or Ninditatva. That much is enough. Evancha. Vidhi Apekshita Prashastya Rupa Padartha Pratyayakataya. Arthavada Padasamudayasya Padasthaniyataya Vidhivakyena Ekavakyatvam Bhavati. Iti Arthavadanam Padaikavakyata. एवंच विधि अपेक्षित प्राशस्त्य रूप पदार्थ प्रत्यायकतया. विधि अपेक्षित प्राशस्त्यम. विधि requires some prashastya. Prashastya means prashansa is there or ninda. That much, that whole thing will give. Arthavada vakya will be connected to vidhi vakya. If it is Ninda, it will be connected to Vidhivakya. It will become Vidhivakya means Nisheda. It will say, don't do this. So, evam cha vidhi apekshita prashastya rupa padartha pratyayakataya arthavada pada samudayasya padasthaniyataya. Arthavada pada samudaya se padasthaniyataya vidhivakyena ekavakyatvam bhavati. Vidhivakyena ekavakyatvam bhavati. Iti arthavadanam padaika vakyata. Arthavada vakya, they have padaika vakyatvam. So, what is padaika vakyatvam? You have vidhi vakya and you have some arthavada vakya. That entire set of arthavada vakya will result in one pada. That pada will have ekavakyatvam with vidhivakya, set of vidhivakyas. So that is called padaika vakyata. Vidhivakyas are there, arthavada vakyas are there. Arthavada vakya, all those vakyas will result in one pada. Prashastyam ninditatvam. Bas. That is padaika vakyata. This much is clear. What is padaika vakyata?
Yes.
See Tippani number 1 and 2. Prashasta iti ekena padena yavad apekshito artho bodhyate tavadeva vayurvai ksheprishtha devata vayumeva swena bhagadheyena upadhavati sa eva enam bhutagamayati. Asya arthavadasya api artha iti padasamuhasya api asya padasthaniyatvam iti. This is a padasamuha, this is a vakya, arthavada vakya, which is padasamuha. The entire thing, prashasta iti ekena padena bodhyate. This whole thing will be said by one pada. Prashasta means what is the vivaksha of this whole thing? Vayurvekshaprishtha devata, vayumeva swena bhagadheyena upadhavati sa eva enam bhutagamayati. So he says Vayu is a shigragami devata. वायुमेव स्वेन भागधेयेन उपधावति. Whatever bhagadeya means whatever result that it has to give, for which vayu is going to upadhavati. It goes very fast to near the sadhaka. Sa eva enam bhuta gamayati. Bhuta means bhuti. Bhuti means vibhuti. And therefore, the vidhi vakya also goes with this. That vakya is bhutikamaha shvetam alabheta. Shvetam alabheta bhutikamaha. Bhutikama, the one who wants to have vibhuti, Aishwarya. Then what we should do? We should do alabhanam, means sacrifice of a horse with shveta means white ears. Only ears are white. I think that is the meaning. The entire horse also can be white, but I think the meaning there, if I remember correctly, is only this. The ears have to be white. So if you sacrifice such horse, you will get Aishwarya. Sacrifice it to Vayu Devata. So there is a Vidhi Vakya and there is Arthavada Vakya. They are together. Bhuta means with Bhuti. Bhuti means Vibhuti. So it is a Padasthani. Second number Tippani is just Pathantara it is giving. So Padaika Vakyata is done. Tika further. Nanu Arthavada Pada Samudayasya Padasthaniyatve. Tasya Vidhi Vakyana Eka Vakyata Yadi Padaika Vakyata. If this is Padaika Vakyata, what? Arthavada Pada Samudaya. Arthavada is group of words or group of sentences. That whole thing will become Pada. It is Padasthaniya. Padasthaniyatve. Tasya Vidhi Vakyana Eka Vakyata. Then that entire thing will connect to Vidhi Vakya and it will have Eka Vakyata means that whole thing is connected with this Vidhi. They all are saying one thing. This is called Eka Vakyata. So what the sacrifice to Vayu Devata Vidhi says and what this entire Arthavada says, they all have one meaning. That's why Ekavakyata. Vidina tu Ekavakyatvat. Stutyarthena Vidinam Syu. So then Purvapakshi says, Tarhi Kwa Vakyeka Vakyata. Then what is Vakyeka Vakyata? You explained what is Padaika Vakyata. The whole thing becomes one Pada, connects with Vidhi Vakya. I want to know when the whole thing will become a Vakya and it will become Vakya Eka Vakyataha. Iti Prasangat Prachati. Moolam. Kwa tarhi Vakyeka Vakyata. यत्र प्रत्येकम भिन्न भिन्न संसर्ग प्रतिपादक योर वाक्ययोर आकांक्षावशेन महावाक्यार्थ बोधकत्वम. यत्र देर वेर प्रत्येकम भिन्न भिन्न संसर्ग प्रतिपादक योः वाक्ययोः. भिन्न means separate, samsarga pratipadaka vakya. This is separate samsarga pratipadaka. This is separate. Vakyayoho akanksha vashena mahavakyartha bodhakatvam. Iti shesha. Third number tippani. Tatra iti shesha. Tatra vakyeka vakyata. There will be vakyeka vakyata. How? He gives drishtanta. यथा दर्श पूर्णमासाभ्याम स्वर्ग कामो यजेत. by darsha purnamasa swarga kamo yajeta ityadi vakyanam samido yajati. Then
नूनपातं यजति इडो यजति
yajati, ido yajati. All these vakyas, they will have vakyeka vakyata. So all this we have seen in Artha Sangraha. You keep that book around and go through this, revise this portion. It will help you. Ityadi vakyanam cha paraspara apekshita angangi bodhaka. So these vakyas, they have angangi bodha. Mukhya vidhi vakyas are there, darsha purnamasa. And all these vakyas, they are anga. This is angi, they all will connect. So paraspara apekshita and paraspara apeksha is there. Angangi bodhaka vakyataya eka vakyata. So now there is vakya eka vakyata, padaika vakyata. Tika we will see next time. Just see the Moolam Taduktam Bhattapadaihi. Swartha bodhe samaptanam angangitvadyapekshaya. Vakyanam eka vakyatvam punaha samhatya jayate iti. Swartha bodhe samaptanam angangitva adi apekshaya. Swartha bodhe samapta. Darsha purnamasa vakya is complete by itself. But it has anga also. So angangitwadi apekshaya vakyanam eka vakyatvam. So there sanghata punaha samhatya. Samhatya means becoming sanghata, becoming a group. Again they will give a meaning. Darsha purnamasa by itself will give the meaning, and its anga varnanam is there. That's why it is prakriti yaga. So then this samido yajati, ido yajati, tanunapatam yajati, all of that you have to connect the anga with the angi. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.